So there's about 60 dislikes on yesterday's video just because I yelled at Jackson. And you guys need to understand, I love my dogs to death. But when they don't listen, or when I tell them to do something and they don't listen about 4 or 5 times, you have to raise your tone or you have to change your tone so that way they know that you're commanding them to do something. My dogs are very well trained and I'm about to show you guys that. And this is the reason why I had to yell at them, because when they don't listen, you have to, like I said, change your voice. You have to be assertive so you have the way they know that you're doing a command. So let's show you guys how much trained Jackson really is, so that way you guys realize that he wasn't listening, he wasn't doing as he was told. Alright guys, you ready to eat? Yeah? Okay, let's eat. Come on, Captain, come here. Captain, come on. Captain, you're making us look bad. Come on, Captain. No. Jackson out. Captain in. Yes, good boys. So Captain goes in there first. Jackson eats first. You'll see why. Get the bowl. Okay. No. Sit. Stay. 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 Back. 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 See, he's too close to tell him back. Back! Back! Then he just waits for me to say the magic word, which is okay. Now I go fix Captain's food while he goes munches that down. So I just want to show you guys that my dogs are very well trained, they know commands, and if they aren't doing something like yesterday, for example, I put them both in their beds as I was working trying to show you guys the packages. And you don't realize Jackson's about 100 pounds. So when they're in their way, it's just a big mess. And that's the reason why I got upset, is because they weren't listening to me and I had to change my tone. So for everyone that disliked it, said, yo, like chill out with the dogs, you guys have to understand, like if you don't own dogs, you won't really understand. Or if you do, maybe you don't understand either way, but my dogs are very well trained and I have to raise my tone to tell them the commands. So that is the reason why I just figured I wanted to come on, give you guys an explanation for today's video. Now, for today's video, it is Monday, which means we have about 30 packages to ship out. I'm gonna quickly do that as well as run to the Goodwill, obviously next door. And I have to go to my mom's house. I am gonna order the Rollo printer today. I've been contemplating doing the Romo Dymo, Rollo Dymo, Rollo Dymo. I decided let's just do the Rollo. The Rollo. It's about $30 or $40 cheaper, and basically I can use that $30 or $40 to use it in labels. So I'd much rather do that. I'm gonna do that, and she has Amazon Prime, so I should get it by tomorrow. I should probably wait to ship out the 30 packages, but I am gonna ship out the 30 packages today. Hopefully my ink will survive these 30 packages, because if it does like halfway, I'm gonna be super upset that I have to go buy another ink cartridges. And that just shows you like how fast the color. You guys just saw me buy that. I'm printing black and white and it's using color, so that's a really bad like scam. Like I've gone through more color than black, and I've tried to change the settings, and it's just, that's how the printer is, so it's super weird how that does that. I also have to go back to Marshall's. I want to see if I can find an XL. Since you guys saw me buy the 2XL Tommy shirt, it just doesn't make sense for me to keep this size large, so I need to go see if I can find like a bigger size than this. There's 2 hard decisions in my day. 1, what I'm gonna make for lunch / dinner, and 2, what t-shirt I'm gonna wear for today. Let's see, I'm wearing black bottoms with my yellow normal sandals, so maybe let's go for, let's see, yesterday we wore like a faded black. Maybe let's go for like a white tee. Maybe the Harley Davidson. Maybe the Spring 94. We just got this the other day. That's a possibility. No, we've worn that recently. We haven't worn this in a super long time, but I like to keep that. These two, like I like to keep on like almost special occasions. You know what? I was pretty hyped on getting these, and I haven't worn one yet, so let's pull out this one today. The Atlanta, now I'm gonna show you guys now. See how it's black and white? Now watch, I'm gonna show you guys once I get into the sunlight how crazy this shirt looks. This is gonna be today's shirt. So for this first thrift store, there was about 2 or 3 other pickers. So what I do in that case is I don't film like as I find it. I kind of just fill up my whole entire cart and then I'll show you guys at the end. So that's exactly what we did here. We have a pretty nice cart. So we have this vintage Field and Stream crew neck. And what I like is like, it's like all like crocheted or whatever, like 2 guys hunting. We have this vintage FSU Russell Athletic. Nice little Florida Seminoles. And then a bunch of t-shirts. Actually, let's go to a rolling rack so I can put those all out and show you guys. All right, so to start off, we have the multicolored Hundreds logo. This is a size 2XL. Then we have another 2XL. I'm sure the same person probably dropped off all his Hundreds t-shirts. We have this 100 shirt. Crooks and Castles. These are all 2XLs. Diamond Supply, 2XL. We have this stamped little like box logo. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up getting this, but I might. We the Best, Major Key. And all this is 2XL, so it definitely seems like somebody just dropped off like all their streetwear collection, like got rid of it. This is a 3XL. This is a medium. And then the find of today, look at this guys, Moschino. So fire. Well, I ended up leaving every single one of the Hundreds as well as the Diamond Supply. They wanted $5 each shirt. That's just ridiculous. I even asked them, I was like, why are the prices so expensive? They're like, oh, the plain t-shirts are $2, like with no graphic it's $2, and then the ones that have graphics are $5. I said, that doesn't make sense because the crew necks are $5. So I literally paid $5 for the crew necks, and I had to pay $5 for the t-shirts. I did end up getting the Moschino, as well as the DJ Khaled, because those go for a little bit more, but like Hundreds and all that, I was gonna price those at $7 thinking I was getting them for $1. So we're not gonna do that. Now let's go hit up another one though. Hopefully the prices are a little bit better at that one. Got this North Face Summit series, like this gray colorway with neon yellow accents. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab this though. So straight off the rolling rack, all of these are Champion shirts, but they want $5 each, so I'm gonna pass on all of them. But the Champion, literally every single one. But they're all like new age, and for $5 each, it's just not worth it. All of these Champions. Got the Fubu jeans, the Fubu denim. Size 29. New age Champion little track pants, little gray C hits. Summer's coming up, and look at this, you got the big swoosh all throughout, but it does look like there's some stains. Damn it, of course the best stuff has stains. Damn, look how crazy this tie-dye shirt is. Insane. We found this vintage one, all single stitched. So I normally probably wouldn't pick this up because it is $10, but to be honest, this print is just crazy. I have the bootleg Louis Vuitton, and it also has like this little gold chain. So it has a lot of accessories on it, so I'm gonna use this for a custom piece. Really nice print. See, here's another bootleg Louis Vuitton little tote or whatever, but look, this has peeling all throughout. Now granted, I could probably use this for a custom, but it's just, I have so many of the regular monogram brown one that it's just not worth it, unlike that crazy one. And we have this tie-dye SeaWorld with all little dolphins all throughout. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up getting this. We have the vintage Desert Storm. It does have the logo 7, all single stitched. Rolling Stones long sleeve. This is from 2006, I believe. Vintage Chaps Ralph Lauren with the big spell out and the flag. Again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab this. We have the Miami Hurricanes jersey. I think I'm gonna leave this just because they want $6. A little too much with just, you know, the basic just Tommy Hilfiger. We have the vintage Tommy Hilfiger, the little color blocking with the stripe across. And then another shirt, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get Dropkick Murphys. And last but not least, we have this Defend Paris. If you don't know, Defend Paris is a pretty expensive brand. Alright, so left Goodwill with a few finds. Now we're going to quickly run over to Marshall so I can see if I can exchange the shirt for a bigger size. If not, I'm just going to return it. So unfortunately, it doesn't seem like they have a bigger size. I'm probably just going to return the shirt. No problem, because I got the pink one the other day anyway, so I don't really need another one anyways. Damn, look how sick these Obey camo pants are. Big boy pants Obey. They're size 34. I'm not sure if I'm going to cop them though. Alright, so last time I found a Puma collab with Diamond Supply, a local thrifter said pick it up because they go for money, so we're gonna end up grabbing this. It's super nice. So surprisingly, I'm not eating steak for lunch today. We're going a little bit healthy, so we're gonna do a Caesar salad. We got the romaine, the Parmesan cheese, the Caesar dressing with the seasoned croutons. And then we're also gonna do the chicken dumplings from P.F. Chang's. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by P.F. Chang's, but I swear, like, this is the best thing. For $3, it's really filling, perfect for lunch, and it's honestly really fire. It tastes exactly like it. So I'm gonna quickly cook these. These take about 10 minutes to cook, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna make the salad. All right, we let those cook. Cover that up. Then you always wash the lettuce. Make sure it's nice and clean. Put it in a bowl, then you put a little Parmesan cheese throughout. Lid. Give it a nice little shake. Get the croutons. Nice little pour. We like our croutons, so we're gonna, yeah, it should be good. Then you repeat, put the lid on top, give it a nice little shake. Take the sauce and you just little pour it. Now you don't want to get loused in the sauce, but you do want to be generous, you know, you little, uh-oh, that's the timer, which means that, whoo, look at them dangs. They are looking nice. They are looking nice. And then the final step, put the lid on top and you shake the son bitch. Shake the son bitch. Just shake it. And there, Caesar salad. And for the finale, we got the Caesar salad. We got the chicken dumplings, and I turn this one over so that way you guys can see a nice golden crispy brown. Then we got the sauce. Let's just show you guys what one of these puppies look like inside. Oh man, that looks amazing. So fire.